Let's cue the music.
Luke's Tuesday Tip.
Real Estate Luke and Jaworski here with this week's Tuesday Tip. Now, I want to start off by painting you guys a little scenario.
Bonjour. I call this one le oui oui.
Yeah, I really don't know what that was. But let's just say that you are working on your house, you're doing the renovations, and you found yourself covered with paint. All right, we got ourselves a little bit of a pickle because your mom's been calling 6 times in a row. So obviously she thinks you're dead. And you got to answer the phone. But you don't want to ruin it with those painted fingers of yours. Well, here's a simple solution. Go ahead and pop your phone inside a Ziploc bag. You can fold this up, put it in your pocket, and you can still use it, even when you got painted fingers. Then when you're all set, all washed up, go ahead and take that phone out. You're good as new. So now, you can use your phone when you're painting, when you're gardening, or even when there might be a little moisture around. Yep, it's Mom again. I better answer that. Well, I'm Real Estate Luke and Jaworski. Thanks so much for joining me on this week's Luke's Tuesday Tip. The old phone in the bag. Give me a call if you have any questions or need anything real estate related. 865-236-0005. And as always, we'll see you next Tuesday.